Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox one of my personal favorite in this particular case, which is this one. So this is the Lil Roar. So this is actually a modified version of Mini Cooper. I don't know, Morris Mini. I think it is Mini Cooper. So okay, they actually trademarked as Little Roar only, but here you can see the Mini logo. Okay, so this is a new for 2025. So again, I'm saying this. I do love compact cars, so I bought this one, and I bought it for 179, which is the MRP. Not more than that. Okay, let's unbox this. I really want to unbox this as soon as possible because originally I bought two. I mean, the first one I bought because I thought I'm not going to get the K case, but the patience paid off. So that time I bought one from I think one of my friend, if I'm not wrong, because this looked really cute and nice and well detailed. So myself and my wife, we both love Mini Coopers, being it since it's a compact car and all. So I wanted her to have one on her work desk, and also I bought two of it. So okay, so let's talk about this casting. Okay, so out of the box, the casting looks absolutely beautiful. Okay, you can see a lot of detailing here. The livery looks really nice. The Mini logo placement looks really nice, and you can see the wiper details also here. It wiped some amount of snow or whatever that is, and it has this uh, maybe fog lamp, I guess, the high beam kind of thing. Okay, they didn't paint the headlights. I really wish they could have painted that because that would have looked more beautiful. It would have given so much more character than the car already has. Okay, so it has grill detailing here, which is really nice, and the entire front bumper here, that is plastic. The room, the wheels looks really nice for this particular car. Even though it's a compact car and the wheels are big, this suits really well. I mean, it complements really well the entire body of the car, and they segmented the painting here for the roof and the spoiler separately. That is really nice. I mean, you have this small outline for both. It separates the spoiler and the roof. That is really nice, and you can see the detailing here. So I am personally a lover of this particular color windshields in diecast cars because it looks really cool. Like a ice kind of thing, and it complements literally every color which the car is painted on. Whether this one is red, but if you put it in a pure black, whether it's a glossy black or matte black, whatever that is, so if you put this particular color in that car, that is going to look absolutely gorgeous. And let's go to the rear now. Okay, so it has good detailing here, and you can see the exhaust detailing here. So chassis doesn't have any detailing here, but okay, so the body is fully metal, the plastic chassis, and the fenders here, these things are all are plastic, and the top part here, the accessories here, everything is plastic. Just small cutout here, and you can see the interior detailing here, which looks really nice. So overall, it's a beautiful casting. If you are able to get this casting, go ahead and get it. Don't think this is a fantasy. This is a modified Mini Cooper, and don't miss this out because you are getting two in each case, and even J case had this. Even K case has two. I think even the next case, I when I bought the K case, it was a mix of two cases. So I was lucky enough to get the TH, STH, and most of the K case mains. So if you are able to get this one, go ahead and get it. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. Okay, 29 grams. That's okay because it's not heavy and it's small as well. So I was not expecting that much, but it looks really good. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Okay, that does roll really well. It creates a lot of noise due to uh, this threading in the tires and all, but I don't see any wheel wobble. Maybe a little bit on the front wheel. Yeah, a very little wheel wobble on the front wheel, but it is not even that noticeable unless until you are doing a video like this and you are specifically looking at it. You might see that, but if you are playing with it, or if you are going to play it within, play it in the track like this, you are not going to notice it. So everything looks really good. Okay, so let's rate this car. Okay, So out of 10, okay, they don't have any rear this tail light detail or headlight detail. So for that I'm reducing 1, but apart from that, this casting is really gorgeous. So 9 out of 10. So okay, again one more time saying this, I already told, go ahead and get it. So if you are a fan of compact cars, or in general Mini Cooper, or in general this rally cars kind of thing, rally car, off-road cars kind of thing, this is a perfect choice for you. This is going to look really good either in your display like what I'm having here, or in your car dashboard, or in your work desk, wherever you are going to keep. If you keep it like this, that is going to look absolutely beautiful. So I mean, my suggestion would be, maybe get this one. If you are able to buy more than one, get this one too. You are not going to regret it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.